close out the month of August with profits on the month. Very reckless price action, very difficult to trade, but we were able to navigate this. So we navigated the reckless price action pretty well, and we're up on the month. We never really got a huge run since we started on August the 9th. And so these are the gains. 50K portfolio plus 362.50 today, 200K portfolio plus 1450. Up about 1,000 on the 50K portfolio on the month, and up about 36.10 on the 200K portfolio. So nice gains. We are down on the week, and so this week comprises both August and September. Tomorrow is the first trading day of September, and Monday is the Labor Day holiday. So those are some important notes. We are looking for some favorable price action to capture some nice trends, and when we are between those, we are happy to navigate this by trading water, basically managing risk. This is just really choppy. You can look at the VIX here and how choppy the VIX is. You can see how choppy the market is. This is the NASDAQ. This is the S&P. Very choppy downtrend. And so it's very, we continue to go through a long season here where the market is extremely choppy when it trends in a downward direction, and the only really smooth trends, some of the smoothest trends we've ever seen, are an uptrend. So there needs to be some resolution for that. I think we are due for some more. We did have some more smooth downtrends this month. This was a pretty smooth downtrend in the afternoon of this day after the initial morning, and then the previous Monday and Friday were pretty smooth. Since this, it's been smooth downtrend, choppy downtrend. The next move will be a smooth downtrend, more chop, or a big counter trend rally. We shall see. Let's look at the trades on the day. By the way, it looks like a VIX divergence. We had a down VIX and a down market today. Yesterday, the VIX closed at exactly the same price that it did on Monday. So we're not getting 2 days in a row because this isn't a down close, because it's kind of a synthetic, sort of a synthetic VIX divergence, because we like to see two of those. So it could be due for a big counter trend rally now. The NASDAQ closed down today. It closed down yesterday. It's closed down 4 days in a row, and the S&P has been closing down as well. While the VIX spiked higher on this date, up, and then exact same close as Monday, and it's down today. So VIX has trended sideways to down the last 2 days, while the NASDAQ and S&P have also gone down. So could set up for a big counter trend rally or another big move higher in the VIX. So when you get a divergence, you don't ever know which one is going to move higher, but that is why it's called a divergence. But let's go over the trades on the day. Here is the desktop for the stock index portfolio. 26 is 17 NASDAQ strategies, and we have 9 S&P strategies. And so you have 12 micro trades we're looking at here. AT2020 NEQ down on the day, took the long trade. Looked like a strong update. Thought we would get a bounce here, and we did not get it. EVP1 took a short trade, that lost. Took a long trade, that lost, and then took a short trade at the end of the day. That was profitable. 60-minute breakout had a profit target. Tick reversal in Q was the strategy on the day with 2 nice short trades. Let's take a look here. Took the short of the day yesterday. Took the long trade at the beginning of the day. That didn't work out. We reversed a short, hit a profit target, short, profit target. And you can see the chop at the end of the day, just all over the place. It looks like it's about to drop and then rally and then drop and then rally. And then you see SR counter trends have had some nice trades the last couple of days. The only thing we needed here was a much bigger profit target on SR counter trend 2 V2 1M and SR counter trend 2 V2M 1M. VTNQ also had the short. Momentum reversal lost on the long side, and parabolic VSD lost on the short side, small loss there. So nice short trades today overall. We had some short trades on, like I said, tick reversal and SR counter trends and VTNQ that were winners. And then let's look at the S&P. We had SR counter trend 2 V2M 1M profitable on the day. Let's zoom in on that so we can see the trade. Let's scroll it this way. Short trade there. Once again, could have held this one all day. It never returned that to that price. And same thing here. Hit its profit target. And now 60-minute breakout was the only other strategy. Third trade in a row today was finally won. But the first two trades hit that short signal, bounced, stopped out, hit the short signal, bounced, stopped out, hit the short signal, and then it went and hit the profit target. Down just a little bit on the day, 1 out of 3. Three of the last 3 trades did the same thing, where it just immediately bounced and stopped out on the same bar. And so very contentious price action still on the short side, but up on the day and up on the month. I'm looking forward to September's trade. And once again, we're happy to tread water in tough market conditions, and we look for more favorable market conditions when the market has some really smooth ebbs and flows and smooth trends, whether it is to the upside or to the downside. And so I will update the portfolio calculator, have that later on this evening as well. Those are the final trades and the final results for August 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.